Supreme Court has quashed a bench warrant issued in 2020 for the arrest of U.S.-based Ghanaian journalist Kevin Taylor. The warrant had been issued by a high court over alleged contemptuous comments Taylor made against Justice Eric Che-Bafo. The Apex Court ruled that the warrant was unlawful and should not have been issued under the circumstances. The decision effectively brings to an end a 5-year legal standoff that stemmed from Taylor's critical commentary on a case presided over by Justice Che-Bafo. My colleague Hansen Ajuman was in court and joins us with more. Hansen, many thanks for joining us. Tell us a bit about the background of this case and how we got here today.
So it involves a case that Justice Eric Che-Bafo was presiding over with respect to the NCA case, where some former appointees in the Mahama One administration had been hauled to court for criminal trial over some corrupt activities. At the time, he gave some rulings that Kevin Taylor thought were not right in law, and beyond indicating that the rulings were wrong, he went further to allege that Eric Che-Bafo, who had secured a Court of Appeal appointment, had done so in exchange for the favorable rulings that the state had received before him. Justice Eric Che-Bafo deemed these allegations as contemptuous before the court, and so he issued a bench warrant for Kevin Taylor to answer to these questions. But Kevin Taylor, as we know, has always, or for a long time, has resided in the United States. And so there has been difficulty in actually implementing this bench warrant. But in a similar manner as well, it has created a difficulty for he himself freely visiting Ghana, with from time to time getting indication that he had secretly arrived in Ghana. Even just a day before today's ruling by the court, there were reports that he had actually touched down in Ghana, and the journalist actually questioned the defense minister. And so the Supreme Court, upon hearing an application by Kevin Taylor to rule that that decision by Justice Eric Che-Bafo was an error in law or not going according to the procedures of issuing the bench warrant, by a 4-1 majority decision agreed with lawyers of Kevin Taylor.
All right, Hansen, thank you very much for that update. Hansen Ajuman